to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make spicy duck roast or tharavu roast. And duck is one of the famous and very tasty delicacy in Kerala, southern part of India. So we are going to make that today. For this, let's go to the ingredients. Now let's get started. The first part which I am going to do is, I have taken a big pan, which is in Malayalam it's called as uruli. To this I am going to add the oil. Once my oil gets heated, I am going to fry the sliced coconut. Now I have fried my coconut, it's golden brown. I'm going to take it out and keep it aside. To the same vessel, I'm going to add the whole spices. Once the smell of the whole spices starts coming out, I'm going to add in the onions. Now my onions have started turning into brown. To this I'm going to add garlic and ginger. Saute it well until the raw smell goes out. Next I'm going to add in the chili powder. Always reduce the flame when you are doing it. You don't want to burn the spices. Coriander powder and turmeric powder. Mix it well. Saute it till the raw smell goes. Now I am going to add the tomatoes to it. Next I am going to add the curry leaves. And a little bit of cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. Mix it well. Add a little bit of water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes till the tomato gets mashed out. Now, tomatoes are all cooked up. And to this I am going to add in the duck. And mix it well. Cover and cook it for 30 to 45 minutes on a medium flame until the duck is done. After 30 minutes, I'm going to add in the coconut which we have fried, the pepper powder, and the garam masala. Give it a stir. And I'm going to add in some more coriander leaves or cilantro. Stir it and cover and cook for another 15 more minutes. Now you can turn off your stove and your duck roast is ready. Now your spicy duck roast or tharavu roast is ready now. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.